and let's test the code. So let me just run them again. And what we have to do, yeah, so let's take SVM, or let's take W bias and losses as SVM, or I'm doing something wrong, so go to, yeah, what I'm doing here. Yeah, so SVM, first of all we have to create the object. So SVM, this is going to be the object, and then we need to call our function SVM dot fit. In this we need to pass our x and y. So this is, in this we need to pass our x and y. Okay, number of features is not defined, so let me see what I have done here. Number of features. So it is saying that in the 20th line, and number of, oh, it should be n o number of, and here p is not defined also, so that is going to be, let's say, self dot w and self dot p. Now we have our output here, and if you will see the losses, so the losses start at 400 and then it goes down to 100. So I think it is doing very good, and we will see the output in the next video, like what accuracy it is giving. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.